Ever felt that overwhelming sense of being stuck, completely unmotivated, staring down the barrel of a big exam or a looming deadline? It's a feeling we all know too well. You're definitely not alone in this. Millions of students and individuals face this exact challenge every single day. So, what do? You instinctively search for help online, hoping for a lifeline, and that's when you stumble upon a study motivation video. Suddenly, you feel a spark ignite within you, a flicker of hope, a surge of energy, inspiring music with an upbeat tempo and powerful, carefully curated visuals lift your mood, washing away the negativity and replacing it with a sense of possibility, and push you, almost compels you to finally open your books and begin. These videos are incredibly popular, and their effectiveness stems from their ability to give us that much needed push, that initial burst of momentum, to start, to overcome inertia, or to keep going when the task feels insurmountable. The secret? What makes this video so effective? It's the music that energizes your mind and body, priming you for focus and concentration. Visuals that inspire a sense of purpose and drive, creating a positive and productive atmosphere, and carefully crafted messages that connect with your aspirations and goals on a deeper level. Seeing others work hard, witnessing their dedication and commitment, makes your own goals feel attainable and possible, breaking down the barriers of self-doubt. It's not just about the dry information contained within textbooks and notes. It's about feeling understood in your struggles and genuinely motivated to overcome them. These videos are short, direct, and to the point, and easy to fit seamlessly into even the most packed and demanding schedule. They're like a quick shot of pure, unadulterated motivation, perfect for beating procrastination and getting you back on track. Creators understand that students crave something fast, accessible, and, above all, effective. That's precisely why these videos are so ubiquitous and deeply ingrained in student culture worldwide. Beyond the immediate motivation, they also foster and build a powerful sense of community. The comment section, filled with messages from students spanning the globe, serve as a constant reminder that you are not navigating this challenging journey alone. You see others openly share their struggles, their setbacks, and their moments of doubt, and, equally importantly, their victories, their breakthroughs, and their hard-earned successes. This shared experience, this collective journey, is incredibly powerful and validating. It makes you feel like you're part of something bigger, part of a supportive and understanding team. Your late-night study sessions, fueled by caffeine and sheer willpower, and your anxieties surrounding upcoming exams, are universal experiences. This strong sense of community and shared experience can be just as, if not more, motivating than the video content itself. Study motivation videos have the remarkable ability to transform feelings of isolation into a sense of connection and belonging. They transform overwhelming stress and anxiety into proactive action and productivity, and that's precisely why we find ourselves consistently coming back to them, seeking that familiar boost. They serve as a powerful reminder that we're all navigating this academic journey together, facing similar challenges and striving towards common goals. And sometimes, that simple yet profound reminder is all we truly need to keep pushing forward, to persevere, and to ultimately achieve our aspirations. Before you hit record, decide what you want to say. Pick one clear message. Maybe it's don't give up or start now, not later. Know your audience, high schoolers, college students, or anyone struggling to study. Make it personal, share a real story from your own experience. Authenticity connects more than perfection ever could. Write your message in 1 or 2 sentences and keep it visible as you work. This will guide every creative choice, from script to visuals. A focused message is the foundation of a great motivational video. Start with clarity, and everything else will follow. Every great video, the kind that truly resonates and leaves a mark, has a clear and well-defined structure. It's the backbone that supports your message and ensures it's delivered effectively. This structure often follows a simple yet powerful pattern: beginning, middle, and end. Each part plays a crucial role in captivating your audience and guiding them through your content. Start with a hook, something that grabs attention immediately. Then, present a problem students face, something relatable like procrastination, a common struggle that many can identify with, or the feeling of overwhelm when tasks and information seem insurmountable. Move to the solution, offering a pathway out of the problem. Share advice, a new mindset that can shift perspectives, or a personal story that illustrates the solution in action. End with an inspiring call to action, something concrete viewers can do. Urge viewers to take that first step, no matter how small, towards positive change. This problem solution inspiration format is a tried and tested method. It keeps your message focused, powerful, and easy to follow. Outline your video with bullet points for each section. This will help you stay on track. Note the problem. Be specific. Your key advice, the core of your solution, and your final motivating sentence, the takeaway. Keep it simple. Don't get lost in the details. This outline is your roadmap, guiding you through the video creation process. A strong structure ensures your video flows seamlessly, keeping viewers engaged, and leaves a lasting impact, resonating long after the video ends. Don't overcomplicate it. Clarity is key in both your message and your structure. Guide your viewers from struggle to action, empowering them to overcome challenges. Make your ending memorable, something that sticks with the viewer. That's how you inspire real change, by providing a clear path and a compelling reason to act. Now, write your script like you're talking to a friend. Use simple, direct language and short sentences. Choose words that spark emotion, believe, conquer, journey. Speak directly. Use you and I to build trust. Share your struggles and how you overcame them. Break your script into short paragraphs, each with one idea. Read it aloud. Does it sound natural and clear? Cut anything unnecessary. Keep only what inspires. Repeat your main point for emphasis. Edit until it flows smoothly and feels genuine. A great script is rewritten, not just written. Make every word count. Your voiceover brings your script to life. Record with a clear, confident, and encouraging tone. You can use your real voice or try voice cloning for easy edits. Train the AI with quality recordings if you choose cloning. Focus on delivery, speak slowly, vary your tone, and sound genuine. Match your voice to the emotion of your message. Keep your voice clear above the music. Edit for consistent volume and clarity. A strong voiceover makes your message resonate. It's the human touch that inspires. Music sets the emotional tone of your video. Choose tracks that match your message: epic for energy, ambient for focus. Use royalty-free music from sites like Epidemic Sound or YouTube Audio Library. Always pick instrumental tracks so your words stand out. Listen to the whole track, make sure it fits your video's art. Keep music in the background, supporting your voice. The right music elevates your message. Let it enhance, not overpower, your story.
Visuals keep viewers engaged. Use real stock footage, not AI avatars. Find clips of students, libraries, or scenes that match your script. Use sites like Pexels or Pixabay for free, high-quality footage.
Choose visuals that illustrate your message, not just random pretty shots. Download a variety of clips for editing flexibility. Keep a consistent visual style for a professional look. Real people and places create a genuine connection. Let your visuals tell the story alongside your words. Editing is where your video truly comes alive, transforming raw footage into a compelling story. It's the stage where you refine your narrative, enhance the visual appeal, and ensure your message resonates with your audience. Think of it as sculpting your video into its final, polished form. To begin, use professional-grade software like DaVinci Resolve, known for its robust features and color grading capabilities. Alternatively, user-friendly options like CapCut are also great start by importing your voiceover and placing it on the timeline as your foundation. This will serve as the backbone of your video. Next, add a music track underneath your voiceover to create the right mood and atmosphere. Carefully adjust the volume levels, ensuring your voice is always crystal clear and easily understandable, taking precedence over the background music. Utilize audio ducking techniques to automatically balance the music and narration, lowering the music volume whenever you're speaking. This ensures a seamless and professional audio experience. Now, layer in your stock footage or any other visual elements you have. Meticulously match the visuals to your script, ensuring each clip complements and reinforces your message. The visuals should enhance, not distract from your narration. To maintain viewer engagement, change clips every few seconds to keep things dynamic and visually stimulating. Avoid static shots that linger for too long. Strive to cut to the rhythm of your music and align with the natural pace of your spoken words. This creates a cohesive and engaging viewing experience. Incorporate smooth transitions between clips for a polished and professional feel, avoiding jarring cuts. Don't forget to add captions. Ensure readability by using a bold, high-contrast font, positioning the captions clearly at the bottom of the screen. Captions are crucial as they help everyone follow along, even in sound-sensitive environments or for viewers with hearing impairments. Before finalizing, make absolutely sure every element audio, visuals, and text works together seamlessly to deliver a cohesive message. Thoroughly review your video multiple times, paying close attention to the overall flow, clarity of information, and pacing. Ultimately, the final edit should feel inspiring, engaging, and professional, leaving a lasting positive impression on your audience. You've made your video now, share it. Upload to YouTube or Instagram with a clear, searchable title. Write a description explaining your motivation and include the script if you can. Use hashtags like study motivation to reach more students. Engage with comments, build a supportive community, take feedback as a chance to grow. Be proud. Your video could help someone push through a tough moment. Keep creating, your encouragement matters. The world needs your inspiration.